Adams was an American actress, singer, and comedian celebrated for her glamorous looks, sharp comedic timing, and versatile talent. Best known for her roles in films such as The Apartment 1960 and It's a Mad, 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 Mad World 1963, she also starred alongside her husband Ernie Kovacs in pioneering television comedy. With her elegant style, distinctive voice, and witty presence, Adams became a beloved figure of mid-century entertainment, equally at home in musical numbers, comedy sketches, and glamorous Hollywood productions. These beautiful vintage photos capture the elegance, charm, and playful spirit of Edie Adams, a true classic Hollywood beauty with unmatched comic flair.